Christian, any comment on what happened today? Have you spoken to Kevin yet, or have you found a place to live even?
What's she smiling about? Christine Baumgartner grins as she leaves court after being awarded $129K a month child support from ex-Kevin Costner. Just half of what she wanted. Just one day after a judge awarded her $129,755 a month in child support from her estranged husband Kevin Costner, Christine Baumgartner was spotted out. The 49-year-old model and handbag designer was spotted leaving Santa Barbara Family Court on Wednesday afternoon. Baumgartner shares 3 children with Costner: Caden Wyatt, 15, Hayes Logan, 14, and Grace Avery, 13. The couple tied the knot after 4 years of dating in September 2004, though Baumgartner filed for divorce in May after 18 years of marriage. While the child support ruling is half of what she was asking for, $248K a month, it was also more than double the amount Costner, 68, was seeking, $52K a month. She was spotted wearing a black and white top under a double-zip black sweater as she left the courthouse. The designer was carrying the keys to her Land Rover, along with her phone and wallet, while rocking a black Valentino belt with a gold buckle. She accessorized with sunglasses and a gold chain-link necklace, along with small gold hoop earrings. Baumgartner completed her look with black pants and black pumps for her afternoon outing. This comes just hours after an exclusive DailyMail.com report claims Costner wants to humiliate her in the divorce proceedings. This isn't about the house. It's about making Christine's life a living hell for actually going through with the divorce, the source claimed. A close friend of Baumgartner reveals that she has until the end of this month to vacate the $145 million mansion she shared with Costner. Christine said she wouldn't be surprised if Kevin had her escorted off the property by police, the friend says. It was Christine who wanted to make this transition as peaceful as possible, for the sake of the children, the friend added. Kevin has done the complete opposite. He's not thinking about the kids, about how traumatizing this is, the friend continued. She previously said in court filings that she would leave the estate on August 31st, following the results of a court date originally scheduled for July 12. The couple's prenup states that Baumgartner has a month to vacate the premises if either partner files for divorce, although she appears to have passed the original deadline. The judge set a new deadline of July 31 for her to be moved out. Kevin Costner ordered to pay estranged wife $129K in monthly child support, double his offer. The actor and Christine Baumgartner are locked in a divorce battle. Kevin Costner has reportedly been ordered to pay his ex-wife Christine Baumgartner $129K, 99.7 pounds K, in monthly child support, double what he originally offered to give her, in a tentative ruling set by Judge Thomas Anderl on Tuesday, 11 July. The Yellowstone star will also be required to pay $200K, $155K, in attorney's fees and $100K, £77K, in forensic costs. The amount, seen in legal documents obtained by Fox News Digital, is more than half of the figure Baumgartner requested from Costner, whom she filed for divorce from in early May. The handbag designer, 49, previously said she would move out of the former couple's shared home in Carpinteria, California, by the end of August, if he agreed to pay $248K, $191K, per month in child support for their 3 teenage children. The couple's prenuptial agreement allegedly requires Baumgartner to move out of the property within 30 days of filing for divorce. The 68-year-old actor has alleged that his ex-wife breached the agreement by refusing to move out, and a judge has ordered her to vacate the home by 31 July. Last week, Costner increased his original child support offer from $38K, £29K, to $52K, £40K, per month, a figure Baumgartner reportedly rejected because it was inappropriate. She claimed that the new offer was well below the $65K, £50K, per month that Costner allegedly received for renting out a guest house on his property, adding that he spends $240K, $185K, a month on himself and the kids when they're with him. Baumgartner reportedly asked a judge to force Costner to pay $248K, $192K, per month, as well as 100% of the children's private tuition, health care expenses, and extracurricular activities. She argued that this amount was less than what was needed to maintain the children in their accustomed lifestyle. Costner rejected the figure Baumgartner requested, calling it inflated, but she insisted the money would help her set up a suitable separate household for their children. According to Fox News, new legal documents show that she also requested Costner make the payments by automatic transfer, but this has been denied. The former couple, who are seeking joint custody of their teenage children, will reportedly both be required to pay 50% of their children's healthcare costs and other activities. Last week, People reported that Baumgartner's lawyers were seeking an extension of the court-ordered moving-out date of 31 July and asked for an extension to 15 August, on the grounds that she does not have enough time or funds to find a new home. They wrote in a filing, "Christine understands that at some point in the future, she and the children will have to move out of the family home. She cannot do so at this early stage of the case, because she does not have sufficient funding to secure housing that will ensure the children can maintain similar standards of living in the parties' respective homes." She also argued that the Bodyguard star's claim that he is doing his best to make a divorce as seamless as possible for our children was disingenuous, because he sought to evict his wife and children from their home. Costner reportedly denied her allegation that he is evicting his children, and said the children will be in the home during the time they are in my custody. The actor's legal team has also insisted that Baumgartner can afford to move, as Costner has already paid her $1.5 million to find alternative housing. Baumgartner is entitled to a settlement of US $1.4 million, £1.16 million, under the conditions of their prenuptial agreement, which Costner claims to have already paid. His net worth is estimated to be upwards of $250 million, £193 million. The pair, who married in 2004, share 3 children: Caden, 16, Hayes, 14, and Grace, 13. Baumgartner cited irreconcilable differences in her divorce filing and listed their date of separation as 11 April. Meanwhile, Yellowstone canceled. Why is Kevin Costner's series coming to an end? After months of speculation, Paramount finally confirmed that the hit Kevin Costner drama Yellowstone has been canceled, but with the last ever episode still to be filmed. It remains unknown whether the star will appear in the finale. After months of speculation, Paramount finally confirmed Yellowstone fans' worst fears, that the show would be coming to an end after the 5th season. The first part of Season 5 has aired, but originally Part 2 of the season was scheduled to air this summer. But filming won't even now begin until next month, with an air date set for November. The cancellation follows reports that star Kevin Costner, who plays aging rancher and family patriarch John Dutton, wanted to limit himself to just 1 week of filming on the remaining episodes of Season 5. The Oscar-winning star wants to focus on his own Western project Horizon, which actually began shooting in August 2022. Reportedly, Paramount declined his request, and showrunner Taylor Sheridan decided to lower the curtain on the hit show. In November last year, Kevin made it very clear to USA Today that he considered Yellowstone a season-to-season job. "I was only going to do 1 season. But I've done this many," he said. "I give everything I can to what I'm doing. But the moment I feel that it's not right, I'm just going to step away." Reports of tensions between Costner and producer and rumors of cancellation were first reported in February by Deadline. Although the cancellation has now been confirmed, it is still unknown if Costner will actually appear in the final 8 episodes, or even if the scripts are written. Shortly after the announcement of the cancellation, it was also confirmed that Kevin was to divorce his wife of 18 years, Christine Baumgartner, and court documents reveal that he has already cut ties with the show. "I will earn substantially less in 2023 than I did in 2022, he said in a June 30 declaration, Insider reported. "This is because I am no longer under contract for Yellowstone, the principal source of my income last year." 8 months prior to the marriage breakdown, it was claimed that Christine had urged Kevin to quit his leading role in hit TV show. While Kevin hasn't commented on his departure from Yellowstone, he has been very vocal about his excitement for Horizon. On his official Instagram page, he told his 1.1 million followers on May 17 that he hasn't felt this way about a movie since Dances with Wolves. However, it isn't all bad news for Yellowstone fans, as a spin-off has also been announced, which will air in December shortly after the finale, with Matthew McConaughey rumored to star.